Hey, it's Shelli from Romance Travel Group, and I am here on Isla Mujeres in Mexico. Just checked into Secrets Impression Isla Mujeres. Wanted to give you guys a tour of this amazing room. I am in the Paramount Suite. I'm in 1106. I don't think I'm ever going to leave. So this is a Secrets resort, so a lot of the features that you've maybe become used to with Secrets are here. Including the secret box. So the secret box is great if you order room service, but you don't want to get up and answer the door if you put your do not disturb on. They will just put it here in this secret box, so you don't even have to talk to anyone. Walking into my suite, I have a cozy living/bar area. Kind of pan around for you. You can see it in the mirror over here. I do have a full-size refrigerator that is fully stocked. Waters, juices, sodas, all kinds of goodies in there. And then there's a living area with a large TV, separate temperature controls, which is really nice. There is a half bath, as you can see back in there, but this, as I said, I don't think I'm going to leave. As you go through this door, you enter the bedroom part. You first come down the hallway and you walk alongside the bathroom. And it has the closets and the robes and the slippers and everything you need. There is the water closet in the corner over there, full floor-to-ceiling door, which is nice, especially for honeymooners. It does have a shower with 2 rain shower heads. And check this out. It is on a button where you can close the shade if you want to. So maybe you're staying with a friend or something like that, or you just want to close the shade, you certainly can. So that is on a button. Open that back up before I go. Then as you walk into the bedroom, it does show through. You can see that shade is still going up. I've got temperature control on the wall. I have phone. I have control for the fan, the lights, everything next to the bed. I do have an iPad over here where I can pull up room service and all kinds of activities and spa and whatnot. Then I have another living area, super cute. My room came with a bag, some hats, in the bag, some snorkel gear that I can use while I'm here. I'm going to spin this way because I'm going to save the rest for last. So here's another shot of the room. Very comfortable, very spacious. Everything I could ever want and more. There is a wine fridge. There is snacks, dishes, glasses. There's another refrigerator down here too. All of this is included. But look at this. This is what you come out here for. So you fly into the Cancun airport, you take a shuttle to one of the piers, and then you have to take a boat to get over here. And it is so worth it. This is the reward for all of that travel. This is what you get. It's just amazing. Awesome. This resort would be excellent for honeymooners, anniversaries, really anyone who wants to really celebrate, be pampered. Butler service here has been fantastic since we arrived. Really just a unique experience. I have a feeling we will be sending a lot of couples here. We do specialize in destination weddings, but for honeymooners after the wedding, I would definitely be sending them over this way. Enjoy.